P here from K4 Motor Works. So today we're going to see if we can get this little thing fixed here. Some black widow spiders floating around here. So anyway, this motor here next to the solar panels, my Solectra. So this wire here I need to replace because it's missing this end, and I don't want to just splice a new end into it. Probably could, but it's already got a splice at one point, so we're going to undo all of this. So we're gonna unscrew this part here, kind of loosen this up a bit, and then hopefully I can do this without taking the backing plate off. So all I need to do is get to the plugs on the inside, so I don't have to take this backer off. And there should be enough room, hopefully, to do this. Once this is off, then I can repair it properly and just have one ready to go. Okay, so I need to get over here and see if, in fact, I can do this without having to take that off. So take these out, not move anything, just take these out, move this backer plate off, disconnect it from inside, and then put it back on. Okay, so it looks like a 3/8. So this is all American, not metal. Not held on super tight either. This will just pop it right off of that bearing. Should be what we're doing here. Yeah. Just pops the bearing. Pops the bearing. Nice and clean inside. All right, so I had to go back and take a look just to see how these 3 wires connected inside of here. And got a little knuckle buster in the process. We're just gonna tighten this little thing up here, and then this one connects here. Just like this. And we'll just snug this down and then plug this in where it goes. So I know this doesn't go here, so I'm going to flip this underneath and then connect those together. So that's just going to fit in there. Like so. This is going to have to come up. Make sure the 2 tabs are lining up on the side of the make sure the wires are out of the way. Tabs are still where they belong. Tap that into place. Now I'm going to get me a mallet and I'll be right back. All right, so my wood mallet's likely indoors, so I'm just going to use a piece of wood and my hammer. Just get this thing centered up best I can. So I was off. So I was off by quite a bit. Okay, now we get to Take a bit to settle everything into their groove. Okay. Okay, so now get to screw this in. That's good and snug. Now swing this on up. Snug this. Help keep water out of there. And now everything's ready to, except getting the spider webs out of here, everything's ready to go. And now I can actually go test the motor, which will be next.